Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create 3D zoom and strobe effect, which is trending in Instagram. So let's get started. Open Play Store and search for Must. Everyone using Capcut for this 3D zoom and strobe effect, but we can also use this app. Search MAST on your Play Store and select Must Music Status Video Maker and install it. After installing, open it, agree and continue, select your language, and you can see the first video is trending 3D zoom. You can select that. Also, you can select on top trending 3D zoom topic, or you can click on search template and search for 3D zoom and select the first video and click on use, allow access to gallery to create videos. Okay, and click on allow to access your media files. Now click on create your video. From here you can select your image that need to be added in this effect. I'm going to select this image and click on confirm. Now we're using our photo. This app created this trending 3D zoom and strobe effect. To remove this watermark, click on the into icon and you need to watch an ad to remove the watermark, or you can buy pro version, which is $1,099 per year. I'm going to watch an ad to remove the watermark. Click on watch video. After the ad, the watermark is removed, and click on export at the top right corner. That's it. We just created 3D zoom and strobe effect. You can also share this video in social medias. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe this channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching and bye.